I leave my workplace. I walk towards the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I look out the window. I watch the passing cars. I see tall buildings. I get off the bus. I walk along a park. I sit on a bench. I rest my legs. I close my eyes briefly. I stand up again. I stroll through the park. I watch the birds. I leave the park. I walk back home. I unlock my door. I enter my home. I take off my jacket. I hang up my jacket. I walk into the living room. I open a window. I sit on the sofa. I relax my back. I pick up a newspaper. I turn a page. I put down the newspaper. I stand up slowly. I go to the kitchen. I wash an apple. I bite into the apple. I enjoy the taste. I leave the kitchen. I sit at a table. I open a book. I read a page. I close the book. I place the book on a shelf. I stand up straight. I stretch my neck. I walk into the dining room. I set a plate on the table. I pour some soup into the plate. I taste the soup. I finish my soup. I wipe my mouth. I wash the plate. I dry the plate. I put the plate away. I leave the dining room.